In this video, I'm going to show you all how to appear offline on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. Here's the first step we're going to take is open our Instagram app. After opening your Instagram app, on the bottom right hand side corner, you'll be able to see your profile option. Here you'll have to tap on it. After that, once again on the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see a hamburger option. Tap on it. After that, you'll have to go on settings. After going on settings, on the fourth option, you'll be able to see option privacy. Here you'll have to tap on privacy. Here you'll be able to see various options such as private account, limits, and so on. Here scrolling down, you'll be able to see active status right between guides and messages. Here tap on active status. After tapping on active status, if the option is blue in color, then your active status is on, and if it's gray in color, your active status is off. Here if your active status is on, then tap on it, and just like that, your active status has been off. And just like that, you'll be appearing offline. Your friends from Instagram won't be able to see whether you were online, and in the same way, you will also not be able to see whether your friends were online or not. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to appear offline in Instagram. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video has helped for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe.